Welcome to this tutorial. Today, we're going to have a look at an overview of conjunctions. Let's get started. Conjunctions are words that link other words, phrases, clauses, or sentences together. Have a look at the example over here. Susan is an amazing wife and a wonderful mom. Note that the conjunction "and" in the sentence is used to link amazing wife and wonderful mom. Now, conjunctions add complexity to our speech. They also allow us to form complex sentences instead of using multiple short ones. Have a look at the examples below. Bran likes eating. He doesn't like cooking. He finds cooking boring. Now, instead of these multiple short sentences, we can create one complex sentence by using conjunctions, as in the example over here. Bran likes eating, but he doesn't like cooking, as he finds it boring. Note that conjunctions can be divided into the following categories. A. Subordinating conjunctions. Subordinating conjunctions link two clauses, a main or independent one and a subordinate, dependent one. Now, the most commonly used subordinating conjunctions are although, as, because, if, though, unless, etc. Have a look at the example below. She won't speak with her parents unless they apologize first. Note that the main clause or the independent clause is she won't speak with her parents, and the subordinate clause or the dependent clause is they apologize first. Now, these two sentences were linked together by using a subordinating conjunction unless. B. Correlative conjunctions. Correlative conjunctions connect two equal grammatical items. Now, these conjunctions come in pairs, either or, neither nor, not only but also. Have a look at the example below. Either we go to the party or we stay at home. Note that we go to the party and we stay at home are two equal grammatical items. C. Compound conjunctions. Compound conjunctions are phrases which are used as conjunctions. Now, a compound conjunction has two or three words that go together. For example, so that, as long as, even though, etc. Have a look at the example below. Mike lied to his parents so that he could go to the party. Note that the compound conjunction so that is a phrase that is used as a conjunction in this sentence. D. Coordinating conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions are used to link words, phrases, and clauses of equal importance in a sentence. Now, there are 7 coordinating conjunctions: for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. Now, you can remember these with the help of the acronym FANBOYS. Have a look at the example below. Beth doesn't like cheese, yet she eats pizza nearly every day. Note that the clause Beth doesn't like cheese and she eats pizza nearly every day are of equal importance in the sentence, and they are connected with the coordinating conjunction yet. Now, let's review the use of conjunctions and practice a bit. Remember, the subordinating conjunctions link two clauses, a main or independent one and a subordinate, dependent one. Read the following sentence and underline the correct ones. Yet, if it is raining outside, take an umbrella so that, unless you want to get wet. If it rains outside, take an umbrella unless you want to get wet. Also remember that correlative conjunctions connect two equal grammatical items. Read the following sentence and underline the correct ones. Either, neither did they message her afterwards, or nor did they invite her over again. Neither did they message her afterwards, nor did they invite her over again. Note that coordinating conjunctions are used to link words, phrases, and clauses of equal importance in a sentence. Read the following sentence and underline the correct ones. You claim to be allergic to dairy, yet, or you eat cheese, and butter. You claim to be allergic to dairy, yet you eat cheese and butter. Here is a short story using conjunctions. Listen as I read so you can see how they are used in real-life conversation. After I'm done, make sure you understand all the grammar and read aloud yourself so that you can work on your own fluency and pronunciation. I heard that Eric is moving to a new place. Is that true? Yeah, he is moving to a bigger apartment with his girlfriend. Even though they haven't been dating for that long, they decided to live together to save some money. Yeah. It actually makes sense as rent is so expensive right now. Totally. As long as they get along, I don't see a problem with them living together so soon. And now, it's time for you to practice on your own. Read the following text and underline the conjunctions. The studio was filled with the rich odor of roses. And when the light summer wind stirred amidst the trees of the garden, there came through the open door the heavy scent of the lilac, or the more delicate perfume of the pink flowering thorn. As the painter looked at the gracious and comely form he had so skillfully mirrored in his art, a smile of pleasure passed across his face and seemed about to linger there. But he suddenly started up, and closing his eyes, placed his fingers upon the lids, as though he sought to imprison within his brain some curious dream from which he feared he might awake. The Picture of Dorian Gray by Oscar Wilde. And now, let's check your answers. And when, or, as, and, but, and, as though. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Welcome to this tutorial. Today, we're going to talk about coordinating conjunctions. Let's get started. Remember that conjunctions are words that link other words, phrases, clauses, or sentences together. Have a look at the example below. Susan is an amazing wife and a wonderful mom. Note that the conjunction "and" in the sentence is used to link amazing wife and wonderful woman. Now, there are many types of conjunctions, and among them are coordinating conjunctions. Now, these conjunctions are used to link words, phrases, and clauses of equal importance in a sentence. Have a look at the example over here. Sam complains about his job, yet he doesn't try to find a new job. Note that these two clauses, Sam complains about his job and he doesn't try to find a new one, are of equal importance in the sentence, and they are connected with the coordinating conjunction yet. Now remember that there are 7 coordinating conjunctions, and they are for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. Now you can remember them with the help of the acronym FANBOYS. Let's have a look at the use of these coordinating conjunctions in a sentence. They couldn't afford to rent the apartment for it was too expensive. You can't have your cake and eat it. Samantha doesn't want to go out, nor does she invite us to her place. I was quite anxious at the beginning, but eventually I managed to pull myself together. You can't call me or send a message when you get off from work. Ben says that he is busy all the time, yet he has time to play online games every day. Bill is allergic to dairy, so he doesn't eat any cheese. Note that in all the sentences that we have seen so far, the coordinating conjunctions are used to link two phrases or clauses of equal importance. Now let's review the use of coordinating conjunctions and practice a bit. Remember, the coordinating conjunctions are used to link words, phrases, and clauses of equal importance in a sentence. Now read the following sentences and underline the coordinating conjunctions. Katie wanted to play with us, yet she was too scared to make a move. Yet, the Johns needed to pay the rent, but they ran out of money. But they weren't on good terms with each other, nor did they try to change it. Nor. Now rewrite the sentence so that they have the same meaning using the coordinating conjunction. Philip likes hiking. He is fond of camping too. That's why he spends a lot of time traveling. Philip likes hiking and camping, so he spends a lot of time traveling. I didn't want to call you because it was too late, but I sent you a message. I knew that you could read it later. I didn't want to call you for it was too late, yet I sent you a message so you could read it later. Here is a short story using coordinating conjunctions. Listen as I read so you can see how they are used in real-life conversation. After I'm done, make sure you understand all the grammar and read aloud yourself so that you can work on your own fluency and pronunciation. My brother's birthday is coming up, yet I have zero ideas as to what to get him. Well, I doubt that gadgets are on your list, for they're too expensive. Maybe there's something he likes a lot. He definitely loves cinema and everything cinema related, but I'm not sure what I can buy. I heard of this online shop where you can buy actual movie poster. Just find out what movie he likes the most so you can get exactly what he wants. That's an awesome idea. Thanks a lot. And now it's time for you to practice on your own. Read the following sentences and underline the correct conjunction. A. Mike claims to be good at time management, so yet he does everything last minute. B. Lily wanted to thank the stranger but he was nowhere to be seen. C. I wasn't in the mood to cook dinner, so we ordered a takeout. D. They didn't like our proposal, and nor did they suggest anything else. E. I wanted to see my friend in Seattle, so I got sick and couldn't go that weekend. F. There was something charming and nor elegant in the way she spoke. G. He can't call you right now, and there is no cell reception. H. Their family lives in different states, so they don't often spend holidays together. My sister always gets up early, yet she is running late every single day. J. Pete doesn't exercise, but does he eat healthy? And now, let's check your answers. Mike claims to be good at time management, yet he does everything last minute. Lily wanted to thank the stranger, but he was nowhere to be seen. I wasn't in the mood to cook dinner, so we ordered a takeout. They didn't like our proposal, nor did they suggest anything else. I wanted to see my friend in Seattle, but I got sick and couldn't go that weekend. There was something charming and elegant in the way she spoke. He can't call you right now, for there is no cell reception. Their family lives in different states, so they don't often spend holidays together. My sister always gets up early, yet she is running late every single day. Pete doesn't exercise, nor does he eat healthy. Thank you for watching this tutorial.